Okay, guys. In this video, I would be explaining you how you can trade when the market is gap up. I went live on YouTube, but there was some discrepancy in video, so I thought, why not let me record this time on TradingView itself, and will share on TradingView as well as YouTube, both places. So, guys, watch carefully. Whenever the market is gap up, try to trade on trap. Try to see where the trap had actually occurred, and how to realize. You will able to realize it after 12:30. So let me just show you. This is a 1 minute chart, and try to figure out at least two at least two support and resistance zones. So you see, this is a zone where the market taken support, multiple time. It should not be perfect, but it should give you approximate idea. It should not be like this. You should not, like feeling like, oh, it's not proper. It should be smallest. Okay, we cannot draw line, so we are drawing this. Okay, it should be, semi perfect. It should not be, the super perfect, right? I hope you understood what I mean here. Okay, now similarly, you have to draw the area where the market is, making, resistance. So here you see two supports, and after this two support, at least this is the point where I can see market made two resistance. So you will find this scenario nearby, approx by 10 or 11, means after 10 or 11, in the morning or maybe in afternoon. Okay, then you have to see where the false breakout occurs. There will be two possibility. Either in gap up scenario, out of one time or two time out of 10, the market will gap up and it will keep moving up. In those scenario, the first candle will be kind of a hammer candle and it will keep moving up. So let's forget about that scenario, because you will understand by 10 a.m. we are not going to continuously move up, because if we have to go up in gap up, it will start from 9 a.m. itself, and by 10 a.m. we will be, rallying somewhere around 400, 500 points. But if by 10 a.m. we are forming some sort of range, then this is the strategy which we need to apply. Wait for some false breakout. Okay, you'd not be knowing in the beginning it's a false breakout or not. Market will come and give a breakout. Okay, so this looks a proper breakout to me, so maybe I will also enter or plan my trade at this point. Okay, but as soon as when you enter, and this swing will be my stop loss. Okay, because I will be thinking this is a retest, and as soon as my stop loss goes right and market closes within this, I'm pretty much sure the market is now taking the stop losses. So here, as soon as it close inside, immediately plan opposite side. Short, simple. And the previous swing will be stop loss, and the next zone you will target up to this first line. And you see, we tried this area and we are looking, and before this, okay, this is my stop loss. Okay, now stop loss is also very very important. If you kept the stop loss exactly at the swing, sometime you may get stopped out. So for the safe side, always add 5 more points to your stop loss for the safe side. Or let's talk about, if you put in the swing, if you kept 5 more points, you are safe. But if you don't put 5 more points, you are gone, right? It's a stopped out. No issue if you are a stopped out, right? Because you tried up to here, and at least when you are reaching nearby, at least 1:1, right? So book something. I always advise to book something and then trail for remaining. So let's say one scenario, you got out here with some profits, or maybe cost to cost. Now again it's given a breakout. Okay, and again it came inside. Now what? Again we will be waiting to close it inside, and again we will plan the trade. So out of 7 to 8 times out of 10 times, you will see this kind of false breakout in gap market, and you will plan up to this area, this beginning line. Not up to here, at least up to here. Okay, again market started moving in our direction, and we had achieved almost 1 is to 2.5. This is a great trade. So this is how you can trade this when the market is gap up and in sideways. Okay, especially my advice. Let's come to advice. Go to weekly time frame, right? Here you see, or go to monthly, that's better. If you see on the monthly, right, what we are making some sort of doji candle, right? So in doji's candle, right, this strategy works extremely well. in intraday extremely well, because doji's month are those months where market is not going to give any breakout. So in the beginning of month itself, until there is a doji formation, keep trying this strategy every single day, and you will be profitable whole month. If you chase a breakout in these kind of month, you will lose the money. You will seriously lose the money. Okay, even in my telegram I also mentioned this is a time we have to save capital. This is the strategy, save the capital, because this is a worst month. Okay, so I hope you understand how to trade. It's a fake out based strategy. Okay, you have to look for some fake out. For example, here you see, like, you can draw multiple here. For example, here I can draw one zone today, here I can draw one zone, and here I can draw one zone, right? Here you see it's given a fake out. Okay, after two attempts, third attempt fake out and closer, so here you can short. Here you can see it's given a fake out and closer inside. Here you can again long, and you can target this. So this is a very simple strategy. Okay, and this is a very simplest version I'm explaining in this session. The advanced version I explain in my webinars, but I hope you understand this is enough, even you are a beginner or even a pro trader. Thank you so much, and that's all for the day.